Look at that big girl. Look at that big girl standing there. Huh? You're sticking your booty out. Hi. Get it, Lily.
No.
You found the high-low button.
Hey, I want to play too.
Oh. Oh, Lilybug, your eyes all red. Oh, are you gonna go back? You're gonna. Whoa! Yay, Lily! Yay, Lily! Yay!
You're not pulling.
Oh.
Woo!
There you go.
Hey, it's too late to play the standing game, isn't it?
Yeah, that's trying to hold yourself up.
I can't answer the phone. Hi.
Jam. Oh, yeah.
Lilybug, when it hits after 9 o'clock, is it too late?
Splash, little duck. Jump, little frog.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Lily. 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 Bye-bye. You want to wave to the camera? Bye-bye.
Jump, little frog.
She's like, the pages won't keep turning. Okay, bye, Lily.